Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we are going to make an attempt to unearth the 1993 Chevy Suburban. This has been in our family since brand new, and let me give you guys a quick look in the back and the inside. It was in pretty good shape. Like I said, this vehicle was parked because we ran out of space and people who needed cars at the time, but it is full of ants, which is no big deal. I'd say it's whole city full of ants, not just a couple ants here. But look how clean this truck really is. I'm not going to open the front doors because I've seen some wasps in the passenger front, but it's just really clean. I mean, it's I really hate to get rid of the vehicle, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna hopefully I'm gonna start by putting a couple gallons of gas in it because it is out of gas, and I'm going to charge the battery up. Let's get out here real quick so we all can see. But it's been sitting here for a couple years, so it's almost grown like AstroTurf. This feels like 300 grit sandpaper, almost like its own what do you call that, Duraliner or something like that. Like I said, I know there's some wasp in here, so I'm going to leave that alone, maybe bomb it. But all I've done is I started to clean the engine compartment so nothing catches on fire when I do crank it over. I did find the keys. I got the battery on charge, and that's really about the only thing going on. It's a really good vehicle. So it's a GMC Suburban, which is the same thing as the Chevy. We've put a little over 200,000 miles on this vehicle, or right at 200,000 miles. It's a real workhorse, and I swear this thing, even though I am in Florida, we can get the thing cranked up and the AC will be at 59 degrees coming out the vents. There will literally be, white frost or frost type moisture on the windows. So comment below what you would do with this vehicle. It's just the basic 350 4L60E transmission. Like I said, when it was parked, there was nothing wrong with it. It was a additional vehicle, and now I figure let's get this thing going and maybe put some more miles on it. It's got right at 200,000 on it, and we did put head gaskets on it. It's been very well maintained. You can eat off the inside of the valve covers. Like I said, it's been a good truck. So like, comment, share below. Tell me what you guys would do to get this thing back on the road. I'm pretty sure if I put the battery back in there, it will fire up. Time will tell. Maybe if it charges up tonight, I'll make another video tomorrow. So you guys take care, and we'll catch you on the next video. As always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. And don't forget to catch us on Volkswagen Planet on all our social media and VolkswagenPlanet.com. Take care, guys, and have a good day.